What?
Okay.
This is literally what it's like, guys. After 2020, drinking mustard or hot sauce if you have a normal business, or drinking refreshing, water if you have an online business. Now, there's lots of different...
Breath stinks.
God,
Smells like mustard.
There's lots of different online businesses you could start. The one we
Right.
would prefer is Amazon.
Right.
Because it's easy and because there's a lot of demand for it, right?
Right. I don't know if easy is the right word, right? But what I do know is that people want to look at competition.
Easier than this.
It is easier than that, 100%. People want to look at competition. They want to look at saturation. They want to look at supply. Why are you still doing it? Stop.
I started a normal business and this is my lot in life.
So let's think about this. The analogy here that we're trying to paint is drinking mustard and hot sauce, right? Is having to deal with shipping and returns and point of sales and marketing and all of these different things, right? Starting an online business is as simple as finding a product, finding someone who makes that product, and putting it up for sale online where someone 10 feet away from you can buy it, or someone 2,000 miles away can buy it. You're still doing it.
Just can I sell my business or something? Will you take it from me, please?
Absolutely. Oh my God, your breath.
Will you please?
Absolutely
Please.
not. Guys.
Trade me businesses, please.
Stop. Get it away from me. I'm going to throw up.
Click the link. We'll show you how to start the good business. I promise. I promise we won't make you drink mustard. Click the link. Bye. The things I do.
It's really
the things I
honestly
do
impressive.
to get attention on the internet.